Hi everyone. So in the last video we created this corpus made out of vocal sounds, and specifically it was based on timbre as the corpus feature. But in this video we're going to create a different corpus using pitch as the corpus feature, and the samples that I'm going to be using, which you'll be able to download with a link left in the description, is going to be this collection of hip-hop instrumental samples. So just to give you an idea of what the sample pack sounds like, here are some multiple folders, each containing different instruments, and within each of these instrument folders you can find different instrumental samples. So that's bass lines, guitar lines. So yeah, this is what we're going to be using. So let's go ahead and load or add this as a source. So here's the same folder that I was just showing you, and I'm going to name this hip hop corpus. One thing to notice, by the way, is that even though this folder directly doesn't contain any audio samples, GAMuT is going to recursively scan for any audio files that it finds, and then it's going to use those sounds as sources for the corpus. So you don't have to manually go through each of these directories and add the samples. You can just point to the parent folder, and then it's going to automatically load all the audio files contained within. So anyways, moving on, let's generate this corpus based on this folder. And then what we are going to be using as the target is going to be this melody, this violin melody that I found at freesound.org. So the idea is going to be for GAMuT to use all of these instrumental hip-hop sounds and try to reconstruct this melody. And because it's a melody, it makes sense for us to be using a corpus based on pitch as the feature. And so let's try that out and see what it sounds like. So violin minor, so I'm going to say hip-hop violin, generate, and then we synthesize it to audio. Now let's take a listen. So yeah, it tries to do its best to find pitches from the original corpus that match those pitches in the target audio, and that is more or less the criteria that you have to take into account when deciding which type of corpus you want to create. For instance, we could create the same corpus by using both features and see how different the result is. So let's create one called timbre plus pitch. Let's generate it. It's going to take a while. So yeah, let's wait for it, and then we'll generate another mosaic using this new corpus. So let's do timbre plus pitch, generate, and then we synthesize it to audio, and let's play it. Yeah, so this one to me sounds a little bit glitchier, and it's because it's also trying to match the timbre, so that might sort of deflect the algorithm from really trying to find the best or the closest pitch to the original target. So just to keep something to keep in mind that you explore with your own samples and try to build different kinds of corpora and use it with different kinds of targets to create mosaics and so on. So yeah, I just wanted to show you a little bit of the difference between Corpus built with different features. So we'll keep exploring the rest of the functionalities that GAMuT has, but for now, that's where I'll leave this video. I hope you liked it, and feel free to leave any comments or questions if you have any. Thanks for watching.